Hi. So I just got a haircut. That's why maybe I look a little bit different than last video, even though it was only yesterday. In last video I was talking about additive manufacturing in general as a sort of abstract process. I just wanted to clarify why we want to do that. It is still about making parts, right? It's about making parts, and that's a very concrete activity. But looking at it from a higher level allows you to navigate the technological landscape of additive manufacturing, which is quite varied and still quite varied. And picking the right 3D printing technology is really important, or it has a big influence on the success of your application, right? So there are application scenarios where everything was fully developed, the model, the process chain, everything, and it never got out of prototyping stage because the wrong technology was used, and when the technology was switched, suddenly it became a mass manufactured product. And I'm not talking about some small scale application. In this concrete case, I'm talking about something that was quite substantial. So picking the right 3D printing technology is important. It's not just about 3D printing. And if you look at AM in general at a higher level, then you can identify the different characteristics of 3D printing technologies or process categories. And I know that sounds a bit wordy and theoretical or academic, but that can really allow you to more quickly identify which technologies should be suitable for your applications and which ones are not. And that's why we do it this way, or that's why I do it this way. And of course, I run an FDM 3D printing company, so we only offer FDM, we offer nothing else. Of course, I know that for most 3D printing, other 3D printing technologies that are not FDM, they also have their applications. The main reason why we are specializing is because I really think that if you focus on one technology, you can really fully map out its potential in terms of materials, process settings, quality, and all of those things. But of course, that's more on the back-end side. But the reason why I also want to explain first additive manufacturing a bit more general, because I want to explain to you how FDM compares or what's FDM's places in the technological landscape of additive manufacturing, and why FDM is an important and useful technology. All right, so follow me if you want to hear more about this. Thanks, bye.